Hey guys, this is Shane here from Atlantic Surf School. Today's video we are going to be learning how to do a pop-up. Please do what's comfortable and natural for you. This technique and method which we are showing you here is something which has worked well for our beginners for all levels of surfing and flexibility. So follow the video step by step, practice it at home and enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.
Firstly, let's make sure we're well positioned on our board. We generally like to have our toes on the tail or the back of the board and both feet resting on the board. This of course depends on your height and the size of the board which you are riding. If you find yourself on the nose of the board, there will be too much weight resting on the front, causing you to nosedive. Shift back, get comfortable and centered. If you find yourself on the back of the board, this will create drag as there is weight pressing on the tail. Shift slightly forwards and get centered and comfortable. Make sure you can see the wave before you begin paddling. Take one stroke at a time until you can feel the wave rising the back of your board. Take 2 extra strokes. Once you have caught the wave, place both hands flat on the board underneath your chest. Do a push-up with your toes touching on the back of your board. There should be space between you and the board with no knees, legs or waist touching. Bring your back foot forward and place this 1/3 up the board. Try and open your body up and get this foot as flat on the board as you can. Bring your front foot forward and place this in between your hands. Keep your hands placed on the board for stability. Once you are stable, keep your knees bent, keep your eyes in the direction you want to be going, and enjoy the ride. Make sure you have paddled hard enough to catch the wave, otherwise you may fall off the back. Make sure you aren't too much in the front of the board, otherwise you might nosedive. Don't grab the rail of your board. This makes it hard to balance. Keep your hands flat and your eyes pointing forward. Try to avoid going onto your knees. This is a bad habit to develop as it slows you down, creates drag, and makes it harder to take off when the waves get steeper. If you look down, you are going to fall down. Try keep your eyes up and in the direction that you want to be going. Keep your knees bent when riding the wave. You will have a lower center of gravity, more stability, and an easier ride being able to balance, enjoying the wave. Paddle hard enough until you have caught the wave. Place your hands flat on the board, push up, bring your back foot forward and your front foot in between your hands. Stay low with your knees bent and your eyes following in the direction that you want to go, and enjoy the ride.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please feel free to like it or to subscribe to our channel. We will have some more surf content to come. Otherwise, drop in the comments section anything that you would like to learn about. It's interesting for us to hear and we can learn together going forwards. Last thing on my side, please feel free to practice this at home. The more you practice, the better you get. So once you get into the water, we have a lot more of a stronger muscle memory. We can know our limitations and we don't have to focus so much on this pop-up. It becomes more of a natural procedure and something easier to do. Practice at home, enjoy the challenges, and soon when we're back in the water, we're going to have an awesome time. Stay safe, stay stoked, have an awesome day.